Welcome to Flutter Widgets Explained on the Flutter Spark channel. Today we start with the most important widget in all of Flutter, the Text Widget. Text displays text on the screen, and you will use it in almost every app you build. The basic usage is simple, just write text with your string. But the real power is in the style. Inside text style, you can set font size to make the text bigger or smaller. Font weight bold makes the text thicker and eye-catching. Color changes the text color, and letter spacing adds space between each letter. Text align center moves the text to the middle of the screen. Text is used everywhere. Button labels, headings, descriptions, everything is built with text widgets. One important trick: when a value changes in your app and you want to show it, use string interpolation inside the text. Your practice task: create a text in your app, change its size, color, and alignment. Hot reload and see the result instantly. Master the text widget first, because every other widget uses it.